just finished producing my beautiful oil perfume. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Smells so nice. Smells so nice. You're welcome back. Today I'll be teaching you how to produce this beautiful oil perfume. In case you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Ogechima Dukoma. So let's jump right into production. Okay, so here comes my oil perfume. I'll be using 50 ml. I'm using oud. You can decide to use any variant of your choice. So I'm using 50 ml of my oil perfume, and I'll be using 100 ml of ethanol. That ethanol will help the oil perfume to dry out fast, so that it does not leave stain on our clothes. That's why we are adding ethanol, and also to increase volume, to increase the quantity of our finished product. You can decide to add a label if you want, but I would advise you add a transparent label to bring out the beauty of your product, because for your product to command a high price, the packaging needs to be top notch. Okay, here we go. If you have any question while you're watching this, please do leave them for me in the comment section. I'll answer them. I'll respond as I see them. So I've added my oil perfume, 50 ml, and I'll be adding my ethanol. I'll be adding 100 ml of ethanol. Please type following in the comments if you're following me. Just say following. Let me see those that are following. If you understand what I'm doing, you're getting what I'm doing, and you're enjoying it, just say following. Let me know that, yes, I'm actually making an impact. I'm actually adding value. Please also ensure you subscribe to my channel. I'm begging you. Don't just watch and leave, please. Subscribe, like, and share. It will cost you nothing, please. Just that is your way for saying thank you for bringing this to my doorstep. Please ensure you subscribe, like, and share, so that YouTube shows it to more persons that needs to see. This is a very profitable business. That's what I'm exposing to you today, and I'll be telling you the cost also. Okay, let's go right into the cost. So ensure you're buying your oil perfume from a very trusted vendor, because they can adulterate them a lot. I bought this one from Ojota Market and from a very trusted and major vendor, but I bought this 50 ml for 5,000 naira. I'm giving you the cost, and I'm giving you the secret. I'm exposing the secret to you. I bought this 50 ml for 5,000 naira. And at the end of the day, we'll be able to produce 150 ml of our finished product from it. We'll go into the profit. So our perfume is ready. In fact, it smells so well. If I use it on my clothes smells for days. In fact, my children will be like, mommy, please spray me when they see me using it, because it smells so nice, and it lasts on your clothes for days. For days, until you wash that cloth, it's still smelling. It's still smelling very nice. Please, if you've not liked this video up to this point, please, I beg you, please like it. It won't cost you anything, please. I'm begging you. I'm on my knees. I'm kneeling down. You're not seeing me, but I'm telling you that I'm kneeling down. I'm begging you, please subscribe to my channel, and also share, so that YouTube shows it to more persons that need to see. If you share this content, those that watch it will thank you, because it is a very profitable business, and it's easy, very easy to produce. So like I was saying, I bought my oil perfume for just 5,000 naira. And these bottles, I bought one for 150 naira. So I bought the 3 for 450. And that ethanol, we used 100 ml. 1 liter of ethanol is 2,000 naira, where I buy from. I buy from the major market at Ojota. I live in Lagos. So this 100 ml will be like 200 naira. So everything will be like, we'll spend 5,000 for the perfume, 200 for ethanol, and 450 for the packaging. We've not even spent up to 6,000. Okay, let me even assume we paid 2,000 for transportation, and all the costs at the end come down to 8,000 naira. If I decide to sell one of these perfumes, if I decide to pack them in 50 ml bottles and sell them for 5,000 naira each, like I said, you can decide to add your perfume label, but use a transparent one so that your product will be very beautiful. If I sell them for 5,000 naira each, I would have sold them for 15,000. Imagine making a profit of 7,000 naira, gross profit of 7,000 naira in one production. It is very profitable. Just go and try it, and you come back and thank me for it. Please do ensure you subscribe to my channel, like, and share. Thank you.